going on, guys? Back with another Duramax video, and today we're going to be installing an exterior mod that I think is going to look super clean. So I went ahead and picked up some new Cadillac door handles, and you might have seen one of the previous videos we installed a new tailgate handle, which we're going to be removing because we're going to be color matching them, and I think it's going to pop like crazy and look amazing on this red and chrome combo that we got going on. Obviously, this is not just a 2500 thing. You can do this on 1500s, the Tahoes, the Yukons, anything on the GMT 800 platform. Got the tailgate handle off, got these three disassembled. I'm gonna show you how to disassemble them. It's super easy. Just take a couple pictures. That way you know how to put it back together. You got a little black lock ring. You're just gonna push that, which is what's holding this together. Push that. Don't lose this guy. If you lose this, you're not gonna be able to put them back together properly. And then just, this is gonna be under a little bit of pressure. Pull that pin, and then this spring and your lock thing can fall out. Same deal on the other side. It's just got a pin holding it. Sometimes they can be a little hard to get off, like this one is, so don't lose your little guy right there. Don't lose that, very important. And just push your pin out, rotate this one, and off she is. So now we're gonna wipe them down with alcohol, scuff them with our little Brillo pad or whatever it's called, and then get ready to throw some primer on here. Not sure why I called this a Brillo pad. I think that's what you use in the shower.
Loofah. Brillo pad.
This is a paint and body scuff pad. Since they're not textured, we don't really need to sand them, but we do need to scuff them up so that paint can adhere to them properly. So I'm on the last one, the tailgate handle. Let's go ahead and wipe everything down with a tack rag. Hopefully not have any debris or fibers or anything laying on the surface. Do one more coat and then give it a very light sanding. Got done putting the door handles back together. I'm about to throw them on the truck, but it's definitely been a long night thanks to Mr. Hubert. Y'all might have seen in Chomper's video, we were house sitting on Memorial Day weekend. It's currently Monday, which is Memorial Day observed. Last night at about 11, Huey started acting really weird. His stomach was all bloated up. He was stretching real far out, trying to throw up, trying to go number 2. Nothing was working. And so I'm in freak out mode. Everywhere's closed, obviously, except for the emergency vet, which I've not had good experience because when my mom's dog got hit, we took it there and they were trying to charge her like $6,000. Ended up charging her $600 and telling us that we could just wait and see if he survived the night. Me and Lauren went at like 11:30, took him up there because we were thinking he had bloat, which can be life-threatening within hours if it actually is that. Thankfully, they checked him out. He didn't have pain from his his stomach, when you pressed on it. So that's like a key thing. If they have bloat, that's definitely a sign. So we don't know. He had some kind of reaction with the food at Lauren's parents' house that I gave him. It's not his typical food. As you can tell, he's sleepy just like me. I think we both probably got about 4 hours of sleep last night, but we took Chomper. Chomper cruised on. We ran about 85 down the interstate. Hopefully he's going to sleep it off. He's finally going to the bathroom both ways today, so that makes me not think that his stomach's all knotted up, tied up and everything. He's just got him a big old bellyache. So hopefully by tomorrow he's going to be good as new. But I'm going to just hang out with him. I'm going to make sure he gets okay. Yeah. So, yeah. Pretty big scare, but hopefully good to go. All right, guys, well, here it is, and I absolutely love this look. Looks so much cleaner without the black door handles. It just flows so nicely. Love the chrome pulls. The paint itself, the red, actually I think matches great. It looks totally fine, doesn't look out of place. Now I am so freaking frustrated with rattle can and stuff because I can't get it the way that I want. I want perfect paint on it. It's just as glossy, just as shiny. Like, it's glossy, it's red, but you can see my reflection, and it's just not the same. It's just not the same. I can't. It's pretty orange peely. I don't know, man. I'm honestly to the point, I think I'm gonna just do a boatload of research and invest in an actual paint gun setup and actually do professional paint on my stuff, because I'm so frustrated and tired of trying to do rattle can stuff and it not coming out as good as I want it to. Now, does it look really good for like a DIY? Yeah, I think it does. It definitely looks clean. It looks good. Like I said, it flows so much better without having the black door handles. Like, that looks so incredibly good. Shout out to the storage thing for kind of having the whole red theme too. It's pretty cool, a little backdrop. But yeah, man, I wish I could come on here and be like, yes, I finally cracked the code. I have mastered the art of rattle cans, and they're perfect, just like the fender flares that someone painted. It's just not, dude. It's just not. And honestly, I wish I don't know why. Oh, I do know why, because I ordered this originally for Chomper, and I put it on here instead. I wish I'd have got the chrome one. Maybe I'll buy a new one. Maybe I'll put the chrome on here. It looks really good, you know, like this without the black. But I think it would have looked, you know, it matched if I got the chrome. But I don't know why I didn't get the chrome to begin with, because Chomper's got chrome. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point. Huey's inside. I got the sunroof popped. He can breathe and everything, but he gets a little anxious and getting a little hot in there. So I'm going to end this video off. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all on the next one.